In this video, I want to make decision based on the URL parameter. We know if we put a question mark after URL and use this key value parameter, it is the URL parameter, and we can make decision based on the URL parameter. Let's go and see what is it. Imagine this application is running for the west and east, but this application is running for south and north. We can make decision based on the URL parameter, and by default our request will redirect to authentication application. Here in the URL parameter we can see at first I have a authentication application which is listening on this IP and port. I have an image application which is listening on this IP and port. Also I have a my application which is listening on this IP and port. My HAProxy server is listening on port 80. I will make decision based on the URL parameter, but here I am. I will use my application, use backend my application if this condition is true. I will use this backend if this condition is become true, and if none of them is true and both of them is false, I will use the default backend server. And what I said, when this become true, when in our URL parameter region is equal to west or south. When this one becomes true, when in my URL parameter region is equal to east or north. That's it. Let's go and test it. This is my file 20. Okay, and here we are. I have this URL here and I can use them. As you can see, this is going to use my application, and so south will use my application, but this one east and north will use image application, north also image application. That's it.